Let us now look at how Norwegian nouns behave. What do they do? Well, what they do, they inflect. They have 4 forms. So let me show. The first form is indefinite, ubestemt. Indefinite singular form is like a car, a table, an apple. This is the form that has article a or n in English. Definite or bestemt form has article the in English. The table, the car, the chair, and so on. And of course we can speak about singular, ental, which is one car, one book, one table, and plural, many cars, many books, many tables. And let's take one example. En katt. This is a masculine noun, en katt, and that means a cat. Well, if I want to say the cat, still one cat, but a very particular one, then what I do, I take this article en and I put it in the end of the word, katten. I don't need anything in front of this word. It is already definite. So this en is the definite article, katten. Katter, if I want to say cats, indefinite plural. Some cats, many cats. Kattene, the cats, definite plural. Let's look at one more. En stol would be a chair. The chair, guess what? Stolen. Many chairs, stoler, and all the chairs, stolene. And let us look at one more. En lærer. Well, what is special about lærer, it ends on r, and all the masculine nouns that end on r will work the same way. En lærer is a teacher. Læreren, the teacher. But plural indefinite is only lærere, not lærerer, but only e in the end. En lærer, lærere. And lærerne for the teachers. So not lærerene, but lærerne. And that was it. But of course, there is no rule without an exception. So let us look at some exceptions. En feil, a mistake. Feilen, the mistake. Mange feil, many mistakes. So you see en feil, mange feil, the same word, without article. Feilene, as usual. En ting, tingen. Mange ting, alle tingene. En kjeks, kjeksen. Kjeks, kjeksene. So just pay attention that sometimes some masculine nouns will have the same form in plural as in singular.